In a city with incredibly rich history, tremendous cultural pride, and a literal castle on a hill, we wrapped up our European adventure with my parents in beautiful Edinburgh, Scotland. Come along with us for 24 hours in one of our favorite places in Europe.
We're on our way to make a bag! Woohoo! A few weeks before our trip, I asked Phil's mom if she wanted to join me on an Islander Handbag Workshop that I'd seen online. It's where you make your own custom handbag that's made of real Scottish tweed and either vegan or genuine leather. There are several workshop locations to choose from, but we picked one that was right off the Royal Mile since we were going to the castle later. There were plenty of bag designs and colors to choose from, so we picked out our own colors and patterns and sizes that we wanted and got to work on putting the bag together, which actually took a little bit more elbow grease than I think either one of us expected. Overall, it was such a fun experience to be able to share together, and we both loved our bags.
While the ladies were making their bags, my dad and I headed to the Royal Mile, a popular strip lined with shops and restaurants so we can meet up again for the rest of the day's activities. Hey!
Hello, look.
Oh my gosh!
It was so cool. There were so many options to choose from. Honestly, I couldn't really decide, and so I'm like, next time I come, I may have to make another one. But I wanted to do something a little funky, doing different colors. I don't know.
And then the bag is green too?
The bag is green. I had to screw on all of these things myself. Be proud.
That's impressive!
And this top part is real wool. My little Scottish bag.
The Scottish weather is pretty unpredictable, so we took the opportunity to get some matching wool scarves. I love it. Dad and I aren't the only ones.
It's true.
We tucked into a restaurant for a warm meal where we split a steamy bowl of tomato soup and a delicious salmon dish with a decadent cream sauce.
I'm still looking for my first croissant of the day. I've had one every single day, and I'm going to have one the rest of my days. I got to stop and get a croissant.
The Royal Mile is definitely one of the most crowded areas in Edinburgh, and for good reason. It's the main path through Old Town and is a perfect spot to see cathedrals and learn about history on your way up to the castle.
Just a bit further. Last time we were here, we saw it just from the outside and not the inside, so I cannot wait to see what it looks like. I actually have no idea. I haven't even looked it up online or anything, so this is going to be a complete surprise.
Edinburgh Castle stands on Castle Rock and has been occupied since at least the 11th century. Over the years, it has served as a royal residence, an arsenal, a treasury, and a military fortress, and it currently serves as the home of the Honours of Scotland, the Crown Jewels. I can't believe how steep it is. Even inside the castle, everything is like at a weird slant. I'm really glad we came up here. It's definitely worth visiting.
I had to pee.
First things first when you come to the castle.
Couldn't really take it in until I took care of that.
Did you get to look over the side though?
No.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Wow. It's so cool. Each little cannon hall has like a different beautiful view of the city. You can see all of the steeples through it. I'm like, I could stay here all day.
Since we hadn't really done any research before going, I have to say I was a little surprised by how much military history is baked into the castle grounds. I suppose it shouldn't be that surprising considering it has experienced 26 sieges in its 1100-year history. But I think it was exactly that history that made Edinburgh Castle so important to visit. You learn about this icon of Scottish heritage in a really intimate way.
All right, remember how I said I hadn't researched what Edinburgh Castle looked like before visiting? Well, it turns out that it's really more of an entire complex that served as this military fort looming over Edinburgh. The property itself is huge, and there were tons of stone buildings to explore. We honestly could have spent all day at the property alone. Can you believe I'm actually shielding from the sun in Scotland? After our visit to the castle, we headed to the nearby Victoria Street, a famous shopping district known for its dramatic architecture. But really, Phil was in search of one thing and one thing only. Phil.
Finally got my flat cap. I'm so excited. Dev may not be seen with me ever again, but I'll be wearing this every day.
Of course I'll be seen with you, even if you look 80.
Rude. All the cool kids are wearing them.
All right, so last night I was getting ready for bed and I was like, I just want something chocolatey. And so today I am making it a priority to go to a tiny chocolate shop somewhere in Edinburgh so I can have chocolates tonight. So let's find a chocolate shop. And that chocolate shop did not disappoint. When you go into a store and they give you free sipping chocolate, and you get all of the recommendations on different chocolates to buy, several which they make in shop, but also several that they've tried from local shops like around Scotland. I'm so excited. I don't even know. The Chocolatorium, they also do tours, so
That may have to be next time we're here. Make that a priority.
This is so good. It's like so thick and rich and dark and chocolatey.
Oh, I just love this place so much.
It has like rained or misted on and off all day, which feels very proper Scottish. But as we're coming back, there's this beautiful rainbow at the end of our street, and it just feels like the perfect cap to a day spent exploring. If you're anything like us, you know a perfect day is capped off with a perfect meal, and our sights were set on only one dinner destination that we had been thinking about since our last trip to the UK 3 years ago. I have been dreaming of this. All right, let us introduce you to Dishoom. It's a small chain of Indian restaurants that opened in London in 2010, and it was the one place that we heard recommended to us multiple times before visiting London in 2023. But the cafe in Edinburgh in particular features a swanky little basement lounge that's the perfect spot to grab a drink before you head upstairs to settle in and eat some delicious food. Every single thing that we have had at Dishoom is amazing, but their signature black dal dish is the one thing that we honestly cannot stop thinking about. We even tried making it at home once with only very limited success. So we knew a stop at Dishoom was going to be a must for us while in Edinburgh. Didn't expect it to come in a coffee cup.
Wait, what is it?
A mango lassie. For the road.
That was so good.
I freaking love Dishoom.
I don't think I could possibly eat another bite.
I am so stuffed, but not too stuffed for a mango lassie for the bus ride home.
Oh, it was so good. Definitely worth going to if you were in Edinburgh. The next morning we grabbed a little coffee, but let's just talk about logistics for a second. We rented a car so we could drive to St. Andrews, but parking in Edinburgh can be, well, let's just say complicated.
Yeah. Yeah, you can keep going. All right. Okay, good. Stop. Forward a little more. Okay, good. Stop. Okay, I would stop. Yeah, pull forward. Okay, stop. Come back a little bit. Just a little bit, though. A little bit more. Okay, hold on. Should I move this? Success. Successfully filmed and directed getting out of the parking spot.
If you're able to navigate the parking, once you're out of the city, the Scottish countryside is absolutely beautiful and definitely worth taking some time to explore. After being out for a few hours, we decided to stop in one of our favorite whiskey bars on the Royal Mile for a flight of Scottish whiskies to cap off the night. You like that one?
Remember, you try it. We just had the perfect end to our trip. We went to this bar that we've been to before on the Royal Mile and met 4 Irish women that were amazing. And we capped off the night with them surprising us with 2 baby Guinness shots of Kahlua with Baileys on top, and they were absolutely delicious. We cheers, said sláinte, had the shot, and it was just the perfect end to our trip.
I think that's something about Edinburgh that's really, really great, is that there's good vibes all around. From the locals to the other travelers, there's really something for everyone, and everyone can have a good time.
I just love it here.
Yeah, it's probably my favorite city in the entire world.
I would definitely second that.
Yeah. So we hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Bye. Pam, what are you doing?
Turning the wheel.
Surely you're not trying to convince him to get a flat cap.
I think by the end of this trip, we will have bought so much like wool clothing. We'll probably have to wear like 5 layers through the airport.
Yeah, it's like 75 degrees back home. Great, I have a secret.
What's your secret?
I freaking love Scotland.
What?
I freaking love Scotland.
I freaking love Scotland too.
It looks very epic because the Scottish flag is waving wildly in the background.